Let's show you how to hand in a multi-page assignment on myBlueprint. First, we're going to hand in the first page. Let's look at class activities and find the home ec class and scroll down till you see the assignment that you want to hand in. If you don't have the assignment, you should see the documents here and anything to help you do the assignment. When you're ready to hand in, click Start Activity. All I want you to do is copy the title and paste it into title section. And in the description, especially with a multi-page assignment, you might want to write page 1 so you know which one you handed in. Then select the file you want to upload. Now in this case, this is someone who had taken a photo of their assignment with their camera, so they have multiple photos. Upload the first page and hit Post and add it to the portfolio it belongs to. So this is a home ec assignment, belongs in the home ec portfolio. Then your first page is handed in. Then let's go see that assignment in the portfolio. Let's click on the grade 8 portfolio and there it is. It's been handed in. Now to hand in the second page, click this little button here that says Add Reflection. Here you can add as many pages as you want. So this is a 2-page assignment, so we're going to open up the second page and we'll put probably in the description that this was page 2. This is especially useful if the assignment is multiple pages. So let's say it's 4, you can write page 3, page 4. It's a good way to keep track. Hit Post. And there you go. The second page is uploaded with the first page. And when I mark it, I will see both. And you can tell you've uploaded it because you have a little comment icon now.